All right. We are here again with the expert, Martyn Brown, who is an expert in using Systeme to build your brand, build your business, get clients, and build your sales. And he has something very important to want to share with us today. I'm talking about the sub account of Systeme. In our previous podcast, it dealt with the Systeme, how you can build the business. But some good thing has come up, the sub account, which Martyn is going to tell us today. Hi, Martyn. How are you doing today?
Hello, and thanks for inviting me along to talk more about Systeme.
Yeah, it's your thing. It's your baby, isn't it?
Yeah, we love growing.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Martyn, the new update now about the Systeme software is they have a sub account. So what do you think it is used for, and what are the benefits, please?
The initial thoughts of joining Systeme are that you've got everything you want under one roof, but and for free, of course. You can start for free. But the thing that I noticed was that people could invite you along to be an admin to their account so that you could help them. But they've just invented a brand new thing, which is rather exciting. It's called a Subaccount. And so once you start your Systeme journey and you've got your own account, you're inside, you can then select to bring your own clients on board for a sub-account. And whatever facilities you have, so whatever level you're on, you can share that, if you like, with your clients. So if you've got a level that allows you to have 10 sales funnels or 10 blog posts or blog sites, 10 websites, whatever, they will get the same. So if you're on a higher level where you can do webinars and things like this, automatic replay webinars, evergreen webinars, or things like this, when you bring on a client, they get that as well. So it reflects the exact thing you're doing. And you can even clone your own sales funnels, your own email marketing systems, your own blogs and websites, and instantly with a click of a button, transfer them to your client. So they don't have to rebuild everything to start their business or continue with their business. So these sub accounts are very important. Why are they important? Two things. You can either use it for yourself so that if you've got different aspects of your business, I do internet marketing. That's a main over umbrella niche, if you like. And then under it, I've got little smaller niches that are still to do with that niche, but I need to keep them separate. So you can use sub accounts to keep that separate from each other. So you haven't got a complete muddled mess of things that you have to sort through every time you look inside your account. Now they're divided. So that's the one thing for yourself. And for your clients, you can use, suppose you've got 10 clients, you can now bring them on board and they can each have their own sub account. It's only just been launched at the time of recording and it's creating a massive wave of excitement. Yeah, it's a very good move and very exciting for anybody in business who wants to form an agency, perhaps. And of course, you can bring your clients on board with a click of a button.
That's great, Martyn. So I know with the Systeme, there are two types of membership. One is a free membership, one is a paid membership. With the free membership, you have limited access of what you could do. And the paid one, you have more access to it. So this sub account, is it for the free membership or for the paid platform?
Okay, you can join free. And when you join, instead of having to pay to upgrade to whatever level you need, you can be the same as the person that introduces you. So if I'm on a paid plan, which I am, I'm on the webinar plan, whoever I bring on board, they can come on for free if they like, and you can give it to them for free as a copy of what you've got. So if I'm allowed to do 10 webinars, so are they. Whatever the plan allows you to have, the limitations, whatever they are, that your client gets the same. However, you can charge them, and that's the difference. They're your clients, so you get paid for whatever you want to give them. So if they want to upgrade, they can, but they've got to pay more for it. But the beauty of it is that it's centralized management and it's collaboration with the more agencies. That's perfect. And the other big thing I failed to mention earlier was it's performance tracking. So you can look at every single client individually and allowing them to adjust their strategy based on the results they're getting. So it's a fantastic system and right across the board.
Thank you, Martyn. Very fantastic. Thank you. And is there any way someone can contact you if they need help with installing it or having it for them for their business?
Yes, you can go to, there's a website, Systeme Streamlined, all one word, .com. So Systeme has got an E on the end of it. So it's Systeme with an E and streamlined.com. We'll make sure the links on the video, and come along there and just use the contact form to get in touch with me if you need any help. But anybody with a Systeme.io account can open up Subaccounts. So it's open to everybody, even on the free level.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Martyn.
Thank you.